again to Gilu's Kitchen. Good evening, my beautiful subscribers, or good morning whenever you listen to that video. I welcome you again to that channel. Today I'm gonna make a special video for you. It's not special, but you know, I call it special to me because sometimes people call it special. I call it special. I'm gonna make soup Joumou for you today, and I know everybody knows what is soup Joumou is and how to make it, but you know, the only different people make it different. You know, probably the way I know how to make it, this is not the way you know how to make it. So I'm gonna make it on my way. If you feel like it's better on my way, you can switch to do some changes, but if you feel like this is the right way you usually make it, you can still keep the same way. So I'm gonna make soup Joumou for you. So what we're going to use for the soup Joumou, usually when I'm making soup or legume or bouillon, I use multiple meat. I use many kind of meat. That's me, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So what I'm going to use, I'm gonna show you what I'm using. This is beef, what we call oxtail, and here, that's one of them. And this one, this is like ribs, and this one is cow feet. Ça nous relève pied bœuf Haiti. C'est lui-même nous pour le mettre là-dedans, nous pour le mettre dans soupe là pour le capable goût. Et puis nous avons quelques petits os nous t'ai acheté, nous t'ai joint. C'est viande ça yo qui me pour le mêler pour me capable faire soupe là. OK, ça c'est pour viande yo. Nous gagne que bœuf, nous gagne pied bœuf, et puis nous gagne ribs, cow ribs, et puis nous gagne tiso bœuf ça yo. C'est eux même nous pour le mêler pour nous capable faire soupe là, pour soupe là capable goût. OK, pour nous laver viande nous, mais ça nous utiliser sel, nous mettez sel là dedans. Nous si met sel là dedans, OK? Pendant m'a fait ça là, sous capable boire carotte de l'eau dans du feu à bouillir. Mais li pas forcément pour chaudder viande bœuf. Côté m'te levé à yo pas te montre nous, yo te dit nous viande bœuf pendant de l'eau chaude. Mais puisque nous même nous gen coutume pas nous, malgré yo te taught me like that, but I still use hot water to show them my viand. It doesn't matter what viand it is, I always use hot water. But if you don't want to use hot water too, like I said, it's not a problem, because viande bœuf pas besoin hot water parce que c'est pour viande qui trop senti dilué, so li pas besoin hot water. Moi même vle faire m'fait, mais li pas besoin. OK, mettez sel. Qu'on y a là, toujours dit nous consacrer les m'a nettoyer viande, toujours mettez vinaigre, et même si viande n'a te senti cru, j'en te ka senti cru, de pour mettre vinaigre là dans ou laver viande ou à vinaigre, ou pas gen droit. Bon, sou pas gen citron, ou gen droit même laver viande non sans citron avec vinaigre, mettez vinaigre là trempé dans viande nous avant que ou lave li, mettons bon petit vinaigre, et puis ou pas. I did that before. Sometimes if I don't have citron, I just do it with it, and it's like there was citron. Don't worry about it if I said that to say, oh, pour laver viande sans citron. No, you can if you have vinegar. You can, because vinegar take away all the smell that you take that you might need lemon for. Okay, so nous mettez vinaigre, nous mettez sel, et puis qu'on y a là nous pas mettre citron. Moi me couper citron comme ça parce que l'eau couper yo, citron gagne parfois citron pas gagne de l'eau, ou mettez ou joindre de l'eau là dedans puis bien l'eau couper citron comme ça. So c'est ça que fait me couper comme ça, OK? C'est avec ça yo nous pour laver viande là. Et puis gen moun tout les laver viande, yo toujours fait comme ça, laver viande. You don't have to do all this thing because viande nan li même de pour si mettre citron là dedans avec vinaigre là, sel là, de pour mettre viande ou mettre de l'eau là laver li, de l'eau a touché toute viande nan net You don't need to do all this thing piece by piece to, hey, you don't have time for that. So I'm just doing it just the way you see. And I'm gonna leave some of them for my acid, because it was 4 of them. I'm gonna leave this for acid, okay? You don't have to chew it. Okay, guys, you know we have to make fun too, right? So, nous pas chew, okay? Depuis nous fin faire ça là, okay? On fin nous font petit papin li like that, you see? Font petit mêler tout ensemble, you see? Tout joint citron. Cameraman making me laughing. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry because I was doing that. She was like, "What are you doing, lady? Are you crazy or what?" I'm not crazy. I'm just showing them they don't have to do all this thing. Chewing meat with the thing. The professor, everything will find the citron and the vinegar and the salt. So that's why I do that. I'm not crazy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. We have to laugh, right? We have to laugh to keep us young. All right. I'm sorry. Okay. This is the meat. This is the part. I'm gonna let it and the vinegar for a few minutes. Like I said, you don't have to. You don't have to. I'm just gonna show you the rest of this stuff. That's why I'm gonna leave it for like 5 minutes. And the vinegar, lemon, and salt. Okay, this is that one. I'm gonna wash my hands and show you the rest of this stuff that we're going to be using for the soup. Okay, I'm gonna put that away. And I'm gonna show you this. This is potato that we're going to use to put on the soup. Okay, this one, what we call tayo or malanga, we're gonna need it to put in the soup. All right, this one, I don't know if everybody knows that this is something where I'm coming from, we cannot miss when we're making soup. Ça nous relève taille Martinique. C'est pour moi qui facile ou joindre ici non, but dans zone côté moi rete am toujours joindre les m'a fait soupe, li relève taille Martinique or yam Martinique, okay? I don't know how they call it in your where you coming from in Haiti, but we call it taille Martinique or yam Martinique. This is what we're gonna put on it. We cannot miss it in this soup, okay? And this one here, we're gonna use carrot. We're gonna use nave. Sanuele nave, I don't know how they call it here. Nuele nave in my language. And this one, this is meliton. This is meliton that we're going to use to put on the soup. And in Haiti, we always use some green feuille chou. Ça là, il manque green. Nous toujours use green feuille chou pour nous mettre dans soupe là avec céleri. Céleri nous qu'on mettre dans soupe Haïti, yo m'pa beaucoup j'aime sorti sous ici. So les m'a fait lim toujours mettre. I always put cabbage or chou on my soup, like we used to do in Haiti, but usually they always like green. This is something they make like for soup. It's still chou, but it's always green, vraiment red. Fait chou qui red yo, parce que l'on fait soupe ensemble avec lui, ou supposé ouais fait chou à la parce que ça là Jean li a là pour mettre la va écraser. But m'boal font Jean pour mettre pour pas mettre trop bonheur pour pas trop craser dans soupe là, OK? Après ça nous pourra l'utiliser. Nous pourra utiliser yellow yam or yam blanc or white yam. Any yam that you please, you can use it. Me, I do it with yellow or white, but sometimes the white one is not too easy to find. This is more easy to find, so most of the time I do it. I always do it with the yellow one, because the white one that I see, hot water cook them, so I don't want that. So I bought this. I cannot find the real white yam that we use in Haiti, so I use the yellow one. Okay, so this is it. And like I said, we need some green to put on it, so I bought some Cali green to put on it. Like feuille chou. Usually feuille chou Haiti yo toujours comme ça. Yo toujours comme ça, couleur ça, et puis l'on mette dans soupe là, yo pas crasé, yo pas rien. Mais ça yo, de pour mettre dans soupe là, t'allez faire soupe là, on a bouilli ba ou soupe pas comment pour mettre li, pour organiser ensemble avec lui. So me toujours acheter Cali green pour me capable faire ensemble avec lui. Okay? And the last thing, it's gonna be Joumou. Ça nous les pumpkin ici. C'est avec lui nous pour faire soupe là. Et puis là nous fin faire soupe là, les tout bagay ça fin paré. Nous pour montrer comment soupe là sorti, mais en attendant, nous pour laver viande nous avec de l'eau froide avant. J'aime te dire nous que pour laver viande nous avec de l'eau froide. Pour laver viande pour avec de l'eau froide seulement, et non seulement ça, ici va de l'eau froide, ou doit utiliser de l'eau chaude pour faire li. Mais moi-même, quel que soit la viande m'a fait, je pas use hot water qui dans 5 ans, je toujours bouillir hot water. I want it to be boiled. So je toujours bouillir hot water moi, so na laver viande nan, et puis m'a retourner pour me capable venir montrer nous les m'a chaudé viande nan, OK? So je vais laver avec l'eau froide avant. OK guys, je vais retourner pour me capable montrer nous viande nan fin laver, les fin chaudé. C'est viande dans ça, moi mette petit épices là dedans, nous connaissons petit épices haïtien, nous petit épices blendé nous connaissons nous mettre là dedans, mettez épices blendé, moi mettez géouf, moi mettez petit thym ça là dedans, et puis mettez un petit cal dans chaque épice ça yo, que me toujours à montrer nous sous vidéo mieux. Madame Gougous seasoning, toujours aimer acheter Madame Gougous, these are good natural herbs, so moi mais utiliser yo. Ça son petit black pepper que me getan mettre là dedans, pas te montrer nous pendant me t'a mettre li, me getan mettre tout. Après ça son petit poudre onion, mettez là dedans. Et puis ça son l'autre petit Madame Gougous seasoning again. I like Madame Gougous, and this is Goya adobo. So I put a little bit on each, and since my épices always have a little bit of him too, so I don't put a lot. So I'm gonna marinate viande together. I'm gonna mettre acide là dedans. So c'est comme ça que nous allons faire soupe là. Nous pas aimer trop maggi dans manger. Nous quand toute vidéo montre nous pas. C'est pas facile mettre maggi là-dedans, mais qu'on achète un petit poudre, un petit poudre là, so on va mettre un petit grain de maggi là-dedans pour le capable bouillir. On va mettre un petit grain de maggi. This is not the way I do it. Usually, I always do it like that. Like for example, I have like 4 kind of meat that I showed you. Like for cow feet, this is something that takes a lot of time to cook. So I'm gonna cook it first. When it's halfway cooked, I'm gonna put the oxtail on it. After I put the oxtail, when the oxtail halfway cooked and the cow feet, it's like 3 cook, I'm gonna pour the rest of the viand, because if you don't do it like that, the rib that I showed you, you only gonna see the bones that gonna left on it, because it's gonna be cooked too much if you put them together with the cow feet and the oxtail. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna cook the cow feet first, and then I'm gonna, when it started to be a little bit tender, I'm gonna put the oxtail, and then after the oxtail, I'll put the rest of the meat when I'm ready to put the vive on the soup. Okay, and when you do that, the way I do it, when I do that, I cook it in light of water. I put it in light of water, and so all the flavor you can get it to make the soup. I don't have to waste my flavor, because the tayo, the potato, the carrot, the joumou, they don't have any flavor. The meat's supposed to give it flavor. When you cook it separate, you just throw everything away, and now you're gonna have to put a lot of Maggi on your soup to make it taste good, and that's not too good for your health. So this is the right way to do soup or bouillon, because you need your flavor. You need your how do they call it some way here, like broth. You need your broth. Okay, so this is the way I'm going to do it. I'm gonna put all the cow feet together to cook, and then I will put the rest after. Ok mes amis, so c'est là nous allons arrêter avec vidéo. When you have the next thing I'm gonna show you, it's when the soup is almost ready, because you already know what to do after I do all this. So these are the most important part, so I showed it to you. And what I forgot to show you in the video, I forgot to show you some macaroni. You know, some people put macaroni, some people put some spaghetti on it, ça nous relève vermicelle Haïti, ou bien si nous pas une vermicelle, moun yo kon utiliser spaghetti. Moi même usually mette anti macaroni la dani, et puis ça pas kon mette la dan, but I find that my kids love it when I do it like that. Mette anti boy la dan, ti boy won yo, mette la dani dans soupe là, parce que ti moun moins reme yo reme boy en pile, so les ma fait mette un petit boy won la dan, but li pas optionnel. Si vous voulez mettre, nous mettez. Si vous pas voulez mettre tout, ou gen doit pas mettre, li pas optionnel. So c'est deux bagages ça on pas ko montrer nous dans vidéo, c'est macaroni avec farine. So tout dit nous que m'a mettre la dani pour nous pas penser que m'pas mettre ni. So m'pas gagner le poids qui fait m'pas montrer nous ni. So ça nous pas le faire, nous pas le mettre castor nous dans du feu, nous pas quitter le fond petit bouilli dans acide là un petit moment, après ça n'a mettre en pile l'eau là-dedans pour le capable bouillir, et puis les arriver pour nous mettre ça yo, nous pas même besoin mettre de l'eau encore, n'a pour remettre. Au contraire, si de l'eau nous manque, n'a mettre parce que nous besoin de l'eau capable faire bouillon delicious. So les tout bagay fini, m'a retourner encore, m'a venir montrer nous. Pas besoin montrer nous comment nous caler bagay, nous connaît comment pour nous faire gentil bagay ça. So I don't have to show you. The next thing I'm gonna show you, it's when the soup is almost done. Okay, so restez branché sous besoin comment soupe la sorti. Stay tuned, n'a retourner encore pour nous capable montrer comment pour capable faire soupe, pour capable réaliser un bon soupe Joumou. Bye bye, on l'autre petit moment. Hello my beautiful subscribers, I'm back again to finish up the soup, to show you how the soup coming out. Remember I showed you everything. I showed you my meat, I showed you everything, like the products that I'm using to make the soup. I already show you everything. So this is the second step that we're gonna do. The first step was showing you the meat, the yam, tayo, everything, blah blah blah. They're right here. Okay, they are right here. I already peel them out and wash them. So now I'm about to put them in the bouillon, in the soup. So what is in the soup right now that I wasn't show you is the collard green that I showed it to you, but I didn't show you when I put it in the meat. So I'm gonna show you how it is in the pot right now before I put this product on the soup. Okay guys, this is the soup. This is the meat that cooking, the kebab, the zo that I showed you, the oxtail, everything is in there. You know, when you're making Joumou soup, most of the thing, it's those things. You put more of this than Vivio, okay? So, you tap bouille nan di fe ya la. So, kon ya la, mo pral mette l'autre Vivio la dan. Ça c'est navet, ça c'est carotte là, ça c'est collard green, chou, militon, c'est ça ou tap bouille la dan la. So, kon ya la, mo pral mette nou de l'eau viande nan. De bouille viande nan grande l'eau. J'aime te di nou pas bouille viande et à part. Et puis après ça pour nous mettre dans bouillon ou bien dans soupe là. So goûter de l'eau ça là déjà good. This is my broth. It's already taste so yummy. So you don't have to put too much stuff on it. Now I'm gonna put the vive on it, and then the next step I'm gonna show you is gonna be the Joumou, and to show you how the soup is coming out. Okay, I'll come back again to show you. Stay connected. Okay guys, remember I told you that I was gonna put like little boy on my soup. This is the little boy I'm gonna put on it because I love boy on it. So this is the little boy, and then after I will come and show you. Now you see this is like a bouillon at the first time, right? You miss only the Joumou. Like I said, if you know how to do soup Joumou, you know how to do bouillon. If you know how to do bouillon, you know how to do soup also. So this is the same thing. So the difference is gonna be the Joumou, okay? Stay tuned. Okay guys, it's time for us to put the pumpkin and the soup. So what we do, we blend the pumpkin, and then we're gonna join it and to put it in the soup, and that's what gonna make it soup Joumou. This is the Joumou. So I just blend it, and we're gonna put it in the soup. Stay tuned and okay guys, mes soupe là, nous songe l'aime te montrer nous première fois, il va de couleur. On y a là son bouillon le on y a mes soupes là, okay? Mes soupes là, this is the soup Joumou. That's really good, it's really yummy. This is everything. This is my little boy. This is my little boy here, and this is my militon. This is my macaroni I told you. You see my macaroni, I supposed to cook it separately, but I wasn't do that. You know why I wasn't do that? Because there was enough water in the soup. There was enough broth on the soup to cook it. So I just pour it on it and it cook on it. Usually I do it separately, because when you do it separately, you don't let it to cook, and it's gonna make the soup too thickened. So because there was enough, so I wasn't even do that. So I just pour it on the soup. This is the soup, and I'm gonna put it in the bowl for you. I'm gonna put it in the bowl for you, and I'm gonna show you how is the soup is. It is so yummy, guys. It is so yummy. You're gonna like it. You try it. There is some little stuff I don't show you. I know you guys know how to make it. So this is it. This is it, okay? Oh, this is a piment. I hope it's not Hi guys, I'm back again to show you the end of the soup. This is the soup Joumou. It's so yummy. And when I said it's yummy, it's yummy. Believe me, I wish you could have tasted. It's so yummy. It's not too thick. It's not too liquid. So this is it. You're gonna like it. This is my yam, my carrot, my chicken, my ribs. It's so good. I want you to try it home and let me know how it is. So if you want to see, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe with this channel, and don't forget to put on your post notification anytime I have something up, so you will be able to see it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again